Hey, what is up everyone? Falcon here, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to select complex images like the smoke which has transparency in Photoshop. So it's really easy. If you go to the quick selection tool and all that stuff, you can see if you mask it out, it's next to impossible to select that. But we won't use that. We will use the magic of the blend modes, and today we'll be using the blend mode called screen. So basically what the screen do is hides all the black areas in the photo and done. Now you can resize the image of black areas as you want, and you're done with the selection of smoke. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, give like the video, comment down below, and just peace out.